Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to unblock yourself on TikTok if someone blocked you on TikTok. So how you gonna do that? So for this what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply open the TikTok here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply first of all confirm whether that person has blocked you or not. For this what you can do is you can first of all you can check whether that person's chat is available to your chat or not. And after that what you have to do, you have to simply send him or her a message. And after that what you have to do, you have to check whether that message had been sent to or received by that person or not. If that person hasn't received your message, that means that person has blocked you. The next thing you can simply check, you can simply go for your friends, and after that you can check your friend list and check whether that person is available in your friend list or not. If that person is not available in your friend list, then you can simply confirm that that person has blocked you. Now if you want to simply unblock yourself from that person, then what you can do is you can simply first of all close the TikTok, and after that you can simply contact that person in any other social media platform, which may be Facebook or WhatsApp, and request that person to unblock you. If that person has already blocked you on that social media platform, then what you can do is you can simply grab other person mobile, and you can simply message to that person from their account. And after that you can also request that person that he or her should unblock you on TikTok. In this way you can simply request anyone to unblock yourself on TikTok. But if they do not do that, you can simply go to TikTok and simply create a new account, and after that you can message them from your new account. Hope you have liked this video. If I get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.